Guys, so today we're here trying out something really new with two different generations, and I have a special guest for it and my co-host with it. So yeah, let's start with with a new thing. It's basically millennial versus Gen Z, like the title says down, and we're very excited to do it. So this is like our little sweet ma'am in our college, and you always know her. I don't have to give her an introduction. So let's start. So here I'm not going to be having any rounds. Basically, I'll just be giving them like pick words, and they are supposed to say about how it is in their particular generation. So. It's very, very cute and pretty, ma'am. You look like your our generation.
Yes, alright.
So, to start with, what do you think would be interesting? Let's go with celebrity crushes.
Okay. Now let's start with a
Celebrity.
Malayalam celebrity.
Any languages.
Man, I can't even imagine. We really didn't have sex.
Did you go for movies and all?
Did we go for movies?
Did
I think
you
we come
bunk
from
and
the
go?
time of, when Mammootty and Mohanlal.
Yeah.
I think they're still there.
Yeah, they probably be. But no, we better. No, we have. I mean, they're really good, but.
In 80s, I think in Malayalam it was Mukesh, Siddiq, Jairam, Sai Kumar.
Jagati.
Out of everyone. Out of everyone.
Jagati, he made sure we had humor in our life. He was the reason we would actually go for movies. Comedies.
So how-
We were the time of Kilakam. Kilakam. Nandini. Yes.
കൊരങ്ങ കോയിന്റെ മണം
അത് പുറത്തെവിടെയോ ഒരു കോഴി കറങ്ങി നടക്കണ കണ്ട്
അല്ല വെച്ച കോയിന്റെ മണം
അത് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഹോട്ടലിൽ കറി വെച്ചോണ്ടിരുന്നപ്പോ ഇറങ്ങി ഓടിയതായിരിക്കും അതാണ് വെച്ച മണം അല്ലേ പോയി കിടന്ന് ഉറങ്ങു വേണ്ടേ
Oh my god, those dialogues are. Yeah, still.
Your hair also suits there.
Right.
My all-time favorite now to this generation is Kamira Thomas.
You would have seen Mallu taunt video, it was the same thing.
No, it's just his personality. I don't know what it is about him.
No, I'm just thinking about the celebrities.
Yeah, and also he's an artist, so he has a pretty good voice. So, yeah.
Wow.
He was an archer.
I mean, yeah, he was an artist. He has a pretty good voice.
Okay, so I think the next topic would be college life.
Do I start?
Yeah,
Then I won't stop.
it's
Just
okay.
put out the highlights of it.
College was definitely much more stricter.
Much more stricter.
Oh yeah.
Stricter than us?
Stricter in sense of academics, but we never had people on our back. So I think maybe that's quite a difference because we
And
were
you
allowed.
had to stay in college till 3:30, be it whatever.
No, we had strikes. So that was also highlights.
That's the thing about Kochi.
I know.
That's exactly what
So
I'm
we had
saying.
strikes that we had to strike back to stay back in class. So that was definitely something. And college assignments, projects,
Bunks.
bunks.
Why are you not
No,
talking
you know
about
what
that?
we had something called as campus boot.
Campus
So this was
City?
campus OT was something highlight of the college because we had this. Our campus was 180 plus acres of land. So it was trees, and the highlight was it was not sophisticated. So it was an animal friendly place. So you would actually walk into the campus. The first thing you would do is step on a cow. Okay, so the highlight was definitely the campus OT because the first spot of bunking was campus OT. It was actually basically like OT, the old OT where you had the entire place with trees, and so teachers would actually come and say, you would think about coming back to class, right? So and yeah, definitely, and then the advantage also is like we had a lot of senior faculty. I think that was a time when you had the most prominent, the senior professors also just about to retire. So.
Okay, I just introduced you as a professor of ours.
Yeah, I mean, I'm still getting there. I'm probably getting there. One of the fun parts No, we didn't really have to bunk because we barely had that problem.
You barely had classes.
We had strikes, and we had strikes for China's communism. We had strikes for.
Oh, that is
Brazilian-
a
Yes, so we were a reactive bunch. Oh yeah.
inconsequential for the like
Yeah,
point.
this it.
We
This
have
it.
to
It's a
attend classes.
desert.
Huh?
Our college is a desert.
Yeah, it's a desert, and also we have to attend class at 3:30 compulsory. If you bunk,
Attendance gone.
and you won't be allowed to sit in for the semester exams, and you'll get a year back if you don't.
Our college
I want to say about Ikas Kada.
Go ahead.
Ikas Pettikada was one place we would hang out at. It was this kutti pettikada under this tree, and then I still remember our insurance class when the teacher would always take the example because he actually takes class there.
What?
Yeah, so we would have classes not just in classrooms, probably because the bunch was also like that. So we would have classes at Ikka's place, we would have classes in the canteen, because we would have classes at the convenience of the professors. If it's a 7 o'clock class, we would actually take out, and then you're just sitting around in the basketball court. I think
We don't
that's...
have a code, so
Yeah, we don't have our own code.
we don't have. I mean,
Like, I think we're getting on the wrong side.
Okay, the next thing is the street shops and food areas that you could hang out.
Ikka's Kada.
Other than that,
More Ikka's Kada. Ikka's Kada is like that you have the tarpaulin sheets stretched out, and the seats that we had was, of course, the benches and some trees around that you can find yourself around, to sit yourself. And the beauty of these places is that they kind of know you, and then they don't see you, they ask why you're not there. And the best part is you have a credit system. So the monthly end settling. So when you're done with your course, the first thing we had to get was an NOC from Ikka's Kada because you have that 5 years of credit with
I
it.
mean,
So-
nowadays the only thing that you see, like what
Right.
you're talking about, is food and movies, all those stuff.
Oh.
Like those kind of like
Kandir Pratham in
it
today's
was
world,
not-
probably that's missing.
Yeah, that's something that probably, because there's nothing negative there probably about, we didn't have that fear maybe. We were not exposed to that much, we didn't have that fear about being,
there is
they
that.
wouldn't call home and say, "Hey, I saw you down."
No, but still somewhere it is a missing for us.
I mean, yeah, it's like we as persons are very old soul. Like we like all the 90s thingy, and
80s thing is like
it's like we
It
just
has
don't-
its own
like,
charm.
We tell ourselves that we born in the wrong generation. Legit, like
Everybody's in that fast life.
yeah, everyone's in like you say fast food, it is actually fast food. So I think it's time we move on to the next one, or we just
Okay.
keep going on.
yeah, next one.
Why not about your dating relationships? Did you have trust issues
I think
and
I-
everything back then?
Forget trust issues. You had moral policing. I think you should take this. Because I don't think we were allowed to date, so people dating were actually supposed to be ahead of time. You know what? I'd probably be one of those specimens because I think in school specifically, dating was seen as, oh my god, you just. Okay, maybe I should. You had this. I really like that person. The counselor who keeps telling this statement. I know whatever happened in the small room, and the counselors are supposed to be people you kind of go to, but they were actually seen as terror because if you're found with a guy, dating or not dating, you would definitely fall into. I think that has changed for good for now. To an extent, at least.
Yeah, kind of. To an extent.
That
Like, in
has
school, it's still a taboo. Like, from where I come
Right.
from, it's still a taboo, like dating.
Okay, from where I come from, they start in LKG.
But in
Right.
college, obviously, it's pretty.
Oh no, not in college. It kind of opened up when we were in fifth year, but we were too late. We were out of market because one of the reasons is since we do 5 years, right, even the graduates are only 4 years. Then your market is for the older people.
But how was your dating experience? Like, even with your husband and
Oh no, the okay, let's stop. My dating experiences. My parents are generally cool people. Maybe. No, I need to put it in the nice way. Rachel's gonna see this. But I don't think we were very open about dating part. It was, and I think the dating challenge we had was we never had, phones were not really a common factor. So, the best part was the landline, secret code.
Yeah,
Having
having three rings or something.
That was one, 3 rings. Second was having calls in the girl's voice.
Oh my god, that's one thing because even oh my god.
Even the bag didn't want to get to those stories.
No, that's one thing.
And what about the guys then?
Guys, I have a lot of money, guys. Which is nice. So probably because of the place that I'm coming from, Cochin, was more forward on that level. So it was all right.
Guys, nowadays, my dating as such is like people, like as a person who is single and have some sort of experience going and meeting matches, all that, it's just very, nowadays people are very broad-minded and like they just don't want to give commitment as such. Like in the beginning, they just like run from commitment as if it is forever. Like literally they run from it. And then later, like when they do extend of like take care of you and like they express their liking towards you, but after all that jazz, they say like I haven't committed to you. I'm like, okay, that's not like how it works. But then that's how, and also the whole thing of dating apps has come nowadays. It's like there are like bunch of dating apps nowadays. Like it is meant for dating, but people use it for different purposes. And some people use it for like making friends or like hang out with someone. Like someone will come from outside, they open a profile, they make a, like what I have seen or heard from people, like if someone is coming from abroad, they make a profile in their dating apps. So when someone is swiping the thing, like if you match with someone, you talk to them, you go hang out with them. So it's like a thing like, okay, I can have an excursion now. Like I have a friend here. So it's like that. Not all the time you can find friends on Instagram and WhatsApp.
Just excited. I think
Yeah,
to
because
try it.
we actually had to take a physical effort.
Yeah.
Literally take the physical effort to be physically present, to be physically known, and dating
And
more than
also-
once in our time was a sin. And I think I've committed it.
And also with the dating app, you're swiping profiles.
Right.
You're almost like judging people in seconds. Like you're swiping left or right, swiping left or right. Like there
There's
are profiles.
nothing called as knowing the person intent.
Yeah.
I think we just got our generation swapped. I missed out on this.
Like to draw a conclusion, it's basically, it's good to be broad-minded, but it has its own pros and cons. You're
Yeah.
neutral to it. So I really have to close that now. Okay, so coming to the next topic, it's technology. We're sitting in a nice ambience to talk about it.
Change our location.
These are the last 3 left in this part.
Okay, ma'am. Technology.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh, we had the computer with the bum.
Oh,
It has
the
like a
fat one.
The fat one. So I was like, and then you can't leave it on for long because it gets heated up. And then you touch and see, and then you have to cool it. Yeah, so we were rich on that.
Even though I think it's a TV was the same.
Oh yeah, TV was also the one with the
Yeah, the cats have nice place to sleep.
I know.
And I think you had a Nokia 110.
Yes, yes. And you know what? With the advantage of Nokia 110, you can text without looking. You can't do that with that.
Oh, it's like tick 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 tick.
No, why? Because you know the best thing about this the letter pad is you can feel those letters.
Yeah.
It just stands out.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
I think I still do that with touch. Because I just know where the alphabet
You know where
are.
it is,
Like
but it's still likely to.
Yeah, for like, okay. Our technology,
Is there a grow by any
for us, our technology is totally different. Like, the computer went on a diet, it slimmed.
Oh,
The TV went on a diet, it had slimmed. And I don't know what happened to the phone, it just became more slimmed and long.
Long.
It's just big.
What
Yeah.
did you do for taking photos, darling?
Oh yeah, we had to take the effort of taking the camera, and the camera DSLR is
Oh,
picture.
that was
So where you develop the films?
Yeah.
You have those cameras, like you have that develop the
Yeah.
films.
I still have films of my dad.
Forget Bluetooth, forget
I think you had
AirDrop.
floppies and stuff.
Oh yeah, we had. Oh yeah, the black thing.
Floppy.
Yeah, you have that. Oh yeah, and that's how we submit our assignment. You know. But people with floppies thought they sophisticated.
And I think you guys really had the real research to do. You had to go through books and stuff.
Books, dust the books. Oh, and the best part is, I think you'll relate to is moods being notified. It was post. So the best part is that people actually hide it, and you only know you're going for a mood when the person is not there.
Oh.
So you hide moods and.
How about internet cafes? Was it again a moral issue?
It was. I think we should not.
Take the topic
Oh,
again.
no. Internet cafe had multiple benefits.
Yeah, it was
So if you.
Go watch Om Shanti Oshara, you'll get the point. Okay, that's a Malayalam movie for which we actually took the song and did our video.
Yeah,
of.
we did our Malu video, which you guys loved a lot. Yeah.
I think those movies kind of give you a.
Old nostalgic
Oldness, yeah,
vibes.
nostalgia.
Not allowed. Not allowed.
You have anything to add on?
Funny, and technology, it's like, it's in your hand. Everything is in your hand. Like, if you want, even like where the president is right now, it's in your hand.
Okay,
Still under
so
the last tree in this.
what about letter writing and things?
Do you have pen friends?
Yeah, I do. Ankita. No, we write letters. We seriously genuinely.
Oh,
keep
that's
up
a little law. Yeah, you're taking an effort on that. Probably, yeah, we also had to write letters. We actually used to write letters, especially when friends changed school.
Oh,
We
yeah.
wrote.
Yeah,
letters.
never did that.
But it never comes to us unscreened, so always get an open letter. If the name matches male gender. There's always an open letter that you get.
So, the male gender has to write the name in female gender. Like,
Well,
Or did
the
you like-
handwriting
Did you like
screaming.
have
it's like
a-
Ankit becomes Ankita.
They had to take an effort because then Ankita will, if you have to write a letter back, Ankita doesn't get it.
No, did you have anything like Moiti in your own language and stuff like that?
Oh no, we never really wrote in that secret letters. Not really. Oh, you know what? That was somewhere technology helped because then I don't know if you still have it in the computer. There you have these language in computer where you have patterns.
Okay.
So in that Times New Roman and towards the end, I don't see it now.
Oh,
so where
yeah,
you
yeah,
have
I
these
think I've seen it.
patterns
Yeah,
and then you
yeah.
put that and then you actually take the effort to trace the pattern.
Is it done right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the little chat that we had. And
Little long.
It was not
thanks a
little.
lot for coming and doing this. Probably we love her time and she loves ours. That's what we understood and believed. We could relate to a lot of things that she was saying and she could actually relate to a lot of things we were saying. So that's a sign off from the Unstables.
So please like, subscribe, and also
Share, comment.
hit the notification bell for further notifications.
Okay, one last thing. All of you, please stay safe. We did a corona awareness. So please keep all those things in mind.
And we'll be quarantining ourselves inside a house.
We're
Or on
going
top
into
of the last
self-isolation,
Yeah.
don't worry.
Yeah.
I think a safe place is right there.
Yeah, so bye guys!